The next airdrop we're going to do is called World Family Coin. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. There's going to be a link in the description box below with a little bit of details about the airdrop. So we're going to start this off. We're just going to sign up. Should have an automatic sign up stuff. You're going to put your password, confirm your password. Make sure you get an Ethereum wallet address in there. So just copy and paste your Ethereum wallet address in. And I accept the terms. Then you're going to hit sign up after you put your password in. And then we'll pop the video back up. Now the next thing it's asking you to do is go to your email. So we'll go to our email. We'll verify the address. So you're going to go to your email. You're going to get the code that they give you. And you're going to put it into here. You might actually find this in your spam. I found it in my spam. So just be alert to that. So I'm going to put my code in here and then I'm going to click on verify. Then after I do that, I'll pop the video back up. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go into here. We're going to go to the airdrop. We're going to click on airdrop. We're going to come down into here. KYC not required for airdrop. So it says the KYC is not required for airdrop. So we don't need to do that. You can if you want. So what we'll do is we will join on this. We will click on this here. And we will join on the official channel. Open that up. We're going to join that group right there. Click this down. Click this down here. We'll click it off to the side. Leave that up for now. Now I want you to enter your Telegram username. So just copy and paste your Telegram username to there. I believe that @ symbol's already in there. So we will just click check action. And it automatically checked our action. We're good to go on that one. Next, we'll go to their Twitter. It says it wants to follow and retweet. So we're just going to follow. We're going to open up the Twitter window. We're going to follow on Twitter. And then we're going to retweet their post. Make sure you click down like this because it might have a registration in there that checks everything on that. And the next thing it's going to want you to do is retweet their pinned post. And it looks like the second one down here is their pinned post. We'll do that. We'll like that. Like the tweet. Let's open the Twitter window again here. We'll bring this down to here and we'll retweet this here. Click on retweet. And now it's saying to reopen the Twitter window, so we'll reopen it. Maybe it's got to check the Twitter window here. Let's put that down. Followed and retweeted here. Let's click this off for a second. And we will pop this back up. It's checking. It's just still trying to check. Court notice, you must close the automatic window. Put a window on. I'll have to check and confirm the actions in a few seconds. So let's click off to the side for that one for now. Let's go to Facebook. We'll open a Facebook window. And we will like the page. Click on like. We already liked the page. Maybe go down and just click on one of their things and we'll like one of their things here. Click on that. And we'll push this down. Then we'll go to their Instagram page. Bring up the Instagram window. And what we'll do here is we'll click on follow. So we're now following. Click on close for now. Click on YouTube. Subscribe to channel. So we'll go over here, click on subscribe. You subscribe to the channel. Action 2 is we'll go to their video and we'll like their video.
Welcome to World Family Point, the first ever decentralized platform designed to manage donations and online fundraising.
Just pause this so we can
Processes. Powered by the WFC, our new utility token, World Family Point, is an alternative solution that aims
what we'll do is we'll like this.
donation methods. By combining donors from fundraising organizations
And we'll click this down.
within a single platform. Managed by a
Click off to the side here.
or DAO. It uses a
Then we'll go to their LinkedIn page.
expense system controlled by a DAO to show the good behavior of charity organizations.
Open a LinkedIn window.
Also, processes of both
It just wants you to follow on here, so we'll click on follow. Now we're following on that. Just click it down like that. Verification completed. Now it looks like it's done it. Just make sure you keep all these windows up. Okay, it's done the Twitter one. It's going to move to the Facebook one. Make sure you keep all those windows up that you had. We'll just try this again here. You can play around with this a bit so it just registers everything. You can open up the window. Let's see what happens here. Just click on the minimize if you need to. It's probably just got something that's got to register inside the actual thing. So you can do all these and let them just automatically go through. Well, that's the end of this airdrop. We're off on to the next one.